It's a little fresh today, boys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on the Subaru transmission. I'm definitely gonna knock these out today because I need that car back up and running. I think I have everything I need besides some RTV. I will see if I have RTV, so then we can seal whole casings back together. But other than RTV, I think I have everything. As you guys know, this transmission, the casing actually got blown out. My stupid ass fault, but I bought that transmission over there. That is an 02 WRX 5-speed. So this one's an 07. I'm probably gonna throw this up on the Facebook market here in a bit. We're gonna get rid of that, and then this we are going to tear that one apart, build this one. I really want to throw this one back together because this one came out of the car. I know this one's good. That one is completely blown, but the casing's good. This one is good, casing is blown. I'm a little worried because everything's been sitting out here for a few days. It has not rained, but it's been a little windy, so I'm a little worried to get anything inside that might contaminate. And also, since this transmission did blow, I'm afraid that we got some bits of metal inside the actual transmission. Hopefully we didn't, because we're gonna blow a lot more stuff than what's already blown. Hopefully, opening everything up, we will clean anything that got in there, and that should be, we honestly should not have many issues getting into this transmission. It looks like it's literally pulling off this cover and then this other half, and it should come apart. It looks like it's that simple, but we will see. I'm gonna start on this one because this one's already broken. If I break anything, then it's not gonna be that big of a deal, but I'm gonna start on this transmission, tearing into this half, and then once I see how it's done over here, we are going to go over there, tear that one apart. I think today we'll get to throwing the transmission together, and I kind of don't want to do it all in one video, but if we do get it knocked out today, then even better. I do want to let the RTV sit for at least the 24 hours. So I might throw it together. I might throw it in the car today, but we won't throw any fluids in it. We probably won't drive it today. And if we get that far, I really don't want to get that far today. I kind of want to do it, like I said, full another video, but we'll see how far we get today. Should be an interesting game. Should be an interesting day. I'm not expecting to finish today at all, but it seems really simple. I've never done this, but we'll see how far we get today. Okay, so I got the two bottom sections off. I think that is it. I'm gonna scrape the old gasket off, and I'm going to throw RTV on there. That should be enough to seal. It's not gonna have any pressure in the casing, so it shouldn't blow the RTV out. I'm gonna see if I have RTV. If not, I'll go pick some up. I should have RTV. It might have dried already. I'm going to start taking apart the good casing, and it looks like we should be able to swap everything over. Like I said, my 5-speed, the one that I had, the one that I blew, for some reason the one that I picked up was blown. It wasn't going into any gear. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna open it up. I might open the rest of it up later just to take a look at it, but for right now I'm going to open it up, take the pieces that I need, the casing pieces that I need, throw it on my transmission. We should be able to throw this back in the car, and we should not have any issues using it. If we do, like I said, I have a whole other transmission that we could disassemble and assemble one transmission out of both of them. They're the same transmissions. The one I got is it's an older model, so it's weaker. That's why I want to keep mine, because mine's a little bit stronger. It's still a 5-speed WRX, but I know that the 02s and 03 models are a little bit weaker. That's why I want to keep my 04 or 05. I'm going to turn to that one. I'm actually going to mess with it first. If it does go into any gears, I don't know if I want to pull it apart. If it doesn't go into any gears, we'll pull it apart, put this one together. Alright, I forgot to hit record on the top piece, but everything's put back together. The RTV is drying. That bottom one should be dry quite a bit because I left it half it was probably off. The RTV was just hitting the sun for like an hour maybe, so that one should be completely, that should be close to dry. And then that top one, it was just recent, but same thing, I let the sun hit it for a little bit, so that won't take too long to dry. I think by the time we get in the car, we should be good for fluids. I cleaned this up pretty nicely. I took my time on that. I really did not need to, but I thought, why not? I was there. I was gonna do this piece as well, but I got kind of lazy. But when I got to that piece, I said I'm gonna do it. And then now I look at this, it's all full of grease. And it doesn't match this one, because this one's not that dirty. For some reason, I think this casing was leaking before. Every gear should be going in. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. So that'd be, let's see here. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then reverse is always kind of hard, but reverse. So every gear goes in. I checked that one. First and second were completely blown, so I probably could tear that apart, redo the synchros. I'm pretty sure I could rebuild that transmission. I looked them up. They look really easy to pull apart, so we might do that. But for right now, this is completely together. We should not have issues with this. I think if all the gears go in, we should not have issues with it. One thing I will take off of the other transmission is the mount, because I did completely blow this mount that was on this transmission, so I need either a new mount or take the one off of that one. But I think I'm going to take the one off of that one, just sell the transmission without the mount, or just throw on the old mount. I'll swap that over real quick, and then we should be ready to drop the transmission back in the car. That was fun. Not really, I hated that. Why is this wheel so cambered? All right, I got the transmission in. It's dark in there, but I got the transmission in. I forgot to pick up the camera because I got busy. I just wanted to set the transmission in. I think the car should be running by tomorrow. I have oil for the transmission. I'm throwing oil in the transmission. Transmission is in, it's connected, and the starter is in. So honestly, if I want to start this right now, I could. I just have to connect the starter real quick and it'd start. Tomorrow we got left to put on are the axles, the drive shaft, and the car should be drivable. I think I'm going to throw on the other wheels that I have. I have a set of 17s that I traded for the 18s, the gold 18s. I think I'm going to throw the white wheels on instead of rocking these black 5-spoke rims. These are small. The other ones are 17s. They're a little bit nicer. So I think we're going to do that. I think they're lighter as well. I think they'd fit the fitment a little bit better. It's not the gold wheels fitment, but it is a lot better fitment, so I think we're gonna throw those on instead. I think I might have to pull the engine though, because I am remembering that it used to idle really badly. With that idle, I really want to say there's a burnt valve somewhere that's not compressing right at idle. I really want to say just a burnt valve in one of the heads, because that's what was wrong with the other engine. This engine does not perform like the other engine, so I really want to say that it might just be that. So we might pull the engine. As much as I did not want to pull the engine, we might pull the engine again and open it up, probably throw the studs in there. I saved my head studs from when I sold that other engine. I wish I would have saved those heads because they had all the valves, all good valves, but we might get into this a little bit. Depending on how I feel. I don't know, I'll figure that out tomorrow. For right now, I'm gonna end the video here. I don't know how much content I got for today, but I'm not going to carry out today's video because I'm running out of videos to upload. I've been saving videos and uploading as I go, and right now I'm completely out of videos, so that's why I decided to come out here and do this. Tomorrow, a new day, we should have the car running and driving tomorrow. If you guys like this video, go down and hit that like button. Comment down below if you guys are excited to see the Subaru come back. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one.